Guys, welcome to my another video. Today we are going to tell you about the root Android device without PC, Twrp and any other rooting apps. And however is going to tell you about the method of rooting no one has put into YouTube and any other website. I have already seen that. Or don't skip this video, otherwise you don't know what can I do in this video. And it's not a learning types, sorry. It's a review video of my previous video. So let's start. First of all, I show you that my device is not rooted, and after I do something, then it's shown me my device is rooted. So let me see you. Important part of my video start from here. I have two phones. First is Huawei Y6 and another is Redmi Note 7s, in which I have a OTG support on both devices. If you don't have, you need to use this. So now after that I installed the amazing Bugjaeger app, which provide you a ADB fast boot ability in your Android phone. Turn on the Android debugger option on my Android device, which can I need to root this. I don't know how to enable the developer option on your Android device, so you also search on a YouTube. I will take my phone in fast boot mode and you guys will see them. My bootloader is already unlocked. If you don't know how to unlock the bootloader of Huawei devices and other devices, you also watch my previous videos which is on this topic. You have to download the Super SU Magic on your phone, which you had need to root and flash through a recovery. After that, you need to reboot your device into a system, and you got the root. Simple.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
I show you that my device got the system root permission. Sorry.
Won't you take me I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream.
Please guys, like on my video and subscribe on my channel also. And guys, I also tell you that please do your at own risk. I will not responsible for that any damage.
Tô passando na sua rua, não fica apaixonadinha. 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 Você e sua amiguinha quer subir na minha motinha?